On April 2026, Elon Musk is set to shock the world with his new Tesla. We have never seen anything like this before. This is not just a normal car launch event. This is going to be something special. The last time we saw the Model 2 was back in 2019, when Elon announced that he had developed a cheaper car that would cost less than $25,000. Since then, there have been no updates about the Model 2 until now. On November 17th, Elon posted a picture of himself sitting in a Model 2 prototype and announced that the production version will come out in 2026. In today's video, I will share with you the latest news about the Model 2. We will cover its release date, price, specs, design, and most importantly, why is Elon building this car? After hearing what Elon has planned for the Model 2, you will understand why he is so passionate about this project. After the success of the Cybertruck, which is now entering volume production and delivery starting this month, it is time for Tesla to bring another exciting product to market, Model 2. Tesla's upcoming vehicle is expected to be a game-changer in the affordable electric vehicle segment. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, recently shared an image on Twitter revealing the interior of the Model 2 prototype. He simply captioned the post with second-gen Roadster interior. The Model 2 shares similarities with the Model 3. However, has some unique features, such as a steering yoke similar to the one found in the Cybertruck. The vehicle's infotainment system appears to be running the latest full, self-driving beta software. It's worth noting that the Model 2 is not a fully autonomous vehicle and currently does not support FSD. The seats are also different from those used in other Tesla vehicles. Interestingly, the gear stick in the Model 2 is located where the center console typically is, which could indicate that the car may feature a single-speed transmission. This design choice allows for more space in the cabin and simplifies the vehicle's architecture. In addition to the interior reveal, drone footage of the Model 2 prototype has been captured at the Fremont factory. While the vehicle is covered in camouflage, it can be seen driving on the road and undergoing testing. His sightings have generated excitement among Tesla enthusiasts and industry observers. Alakiso. Why is Elon Musk building the Tesla Model 2? Simple answer is to make EVs affordable for everyone around the world. But there is a deeper meaning behind this. As Elon has said before, his goal is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The main problem with EVs right now is that they are still very expensive compared to traditional cars. The cheapest EV on the market is the Nissan Leaf, which starts at $27,400 before incentives. To solve this problem, Elon decided to build a new car from scratch, the Model 2, which will be the cheapest EV ever made, according to unofficial leaks. The Model 2 will be built on a new platform that Tesla is developing called the $9,475 EV platform. This platform is designed to be extremely efficient and scalable, allowing Tesla to produce high-quality cars at a fraction of the cost. The Model 2 will also use new manufacturing methods that are faster and cheaper than traditional methods. For example, Tesla will use robots to assemble the body of the car instead of human workers. This will reduce the cost of labor and improve the quality of the car. In addition to these cost-saving measures, Tesla will also benefit from economies of scale. As Tesla produces more and more cars, the cost of producing each car will decrease. This means that Tesla will be able to lower the price of the Model 2 over time. And here are some shocking new revelations about the specs of the Model 2. Get ready to be amazed. The Model 2 will be available in two variants: standard version with rear-wheel drive and a performance version with all-wheel drive. The rear-wheel drive model will have a single motor that produces 300 horsepower and will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. The all-wheel drive model will have two motors, one for each axle, which will produce a combined power of 400 horsepower. This will allow the Model 2 to go from 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. Both models will have a range of 250 miles and a battery size of 55 kilowatts. The top speed of both models will be limited to 125 miles per hour. Here is a summary of the specifications of the Model 2. The Model 2 will be a 4-door, 5-seat hatchback with a length of 165 inches, a width of 71 inches, and a height of 55 inches. The wheelbase of the car will be 100 inches. It will have a trunk volume of 15 cubic feet and a tow rating of 2,000 pounds. The car will have a drag coefficient of 0.23, which is very low and will contribute to its high efficiency. The ground clearance of the Model 2 will be 6.5 inches, which is higher than that of the Model 3, but lower than that of the Model Y. This will provide a good balance between handling and ride comfort. The Model 2 will have a turning radius of 35 feet, which is very tight and will make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The car will have a curb weight of 3,200 pounds, which is very light and will help to improve its performance and handling. The suspension of the Model 2 will be independent on all four wheels and will have gas-filled dampers, coil springs, and anti-roll bars. The brakes will be ventilated disc brakes with ABS and EBD. The tires will be all-season tires with steel wheels or alloy wheels, depending on the trim level. The Model 2 will have a unibody construction with a front and rear crush zone that is designed to absorb impact in a collision. The car will have 6 airbags, including 2 front airbags, 2 side airbags, and 2 curtain airbags. It will also have a rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, and lane change assist as standard features. We're excited to see how these specifications translate into real-world performance and handling. Next, let's talk about the design of the Model 2. You won't believe what Elon has planned for this car. It is rumored that the design of the Model 2 will be inspired by the Cybertruck, which is one of the most eye-catching cars ever made. The Cybertruck has a futuristic look with sharp angles and lines and a boxy shape. It sets it apart from other vehicles on the road. Has gained a lot of attention and orders despite being delayed multiple times due to production issues. While the Model 2 is expected to be smaller than the Cybertruck, it is possible that it could adopt some of the design elements of its bigger brother. For example, it could have a similar front grille or headlights or taillights. The Model 2 could also have some similarities to the Model 3, such as the overall shape and proportions. However, it is likely that it will have a unique design that sets it apart from other Tesla models. One of the possibilities is that the Model 2 could have a crossover-style design that combines elements of an SUV and a hatchback. This would give it more versatility and appeal to a wider range of customers. Another possibility is that the Model 2 could have a sedan-style design with a long roofline and a trunk. This would give it a more sleek and sporty look. Whatever design Tesla ultimately chooses for the Model 2, it is sure to be cutting-edge and innovative. Just like the rest of Tesla's lineup, we can expect the car to have advanced technology and features that make it stand out from other vehicles in its class. Now let's talk about the release date and price of the Model 2. The release date of the Model 2 has been a highly anticipated topic among Tesla fans. Initially, Elon Musk had announced that the car would be unveiled in 2023. But later, he revised the timeline and said that the production version would be released in 2026. This shift in timeline has raised questions about the car's development and whether it would live up to the hype. However, recent leaks and sightings of the Model 2 prototype have given us a glimpse of what to expect. In terms of pricing, Elon has stated that the Model 2 would cost less than $25,000. But according to unofficial sources, the car is expected to have a starting price of $19,000. This would make it the most affordable electric vehicle on the market, and would certainly be a game-changer in the EV industry. Overall, the Model 2 promises to be an exciting addition to the Tesla lineup, with its impressive specifications, innovative design, and affordable price tag. It is set to revolutionize the EV market and make electric vehicles more accessible to a wider audience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe for more videos about Elon Musk and Tesla.